Window Replacement Austin, Texas is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of options available, including energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, residents can significantly reduce their energy bills while improving comfort. Austin energy-efficient window installation is a popular choice for those seeking to minimize their carbon footprint and maximize savings. For those in need of window replacement, Austin window replacement experts offer comprehensive services to address any issues. From window glass replacement to window frame replacement, these professionals ensure that your windows are in top condition. Austin window glass replacement services are known for their prompt and reliable solutions, making them a go-to choice for residential window services. Vinyl windows are a popular option in Austin due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window installation Austin services provide homeowners with a cost-effective and long-lasting solution. These windows are available in various styles and designs, allowing for customization to match any home aesthetic. Custom window solutions. Austin cater to those looking for unique and personalized window designs. Home window replacement is a significant investment, and finding the best window services Austin has to offer is essential. Affordable window replacement. Austin options are available for budget-conscious homeowners. Residential window replacement. Austin services provide a range of choices, from standard to custom windows, ensuring that every need is met. Window contractors in Austin are experienced in handling all types of window projects, from simple installations to complete replacements. Austin window contractors are known for their expertise and commitment to quality, making them a trusted choice for any window-related needs. Whether you require window upgrade services or window maintenance, Austin TX, these professionals have you covered. Window sealing and insulation are critical for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Austin window sealing services ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts and energy loss. Window insulation. Austin services provide additional protection against temperature fluctuations, enhancing the overall efficiency of your home. For those interested in enhancing their home's security and privacy, Austin Window Tinting Services offer a practical solution. Window tinting not only improves privacy, but also reduces glare and protects against harmful UV rays. Window screens Austin TX services provide additional protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Window measurement Austin services ensure that your new windows fit perfectly, preventing any potential issues with installation. Accurate measurements are crucial for a successful window installation, and Austin Window Consultation Services offer expert advice and guidance throughout the process. Window warranty. Austin options provide peace of mind, ensuring that your investment is protected for years to come. Window hardware installation is an essential aspect of any window project. Austin Window Hardware Installation Services offer a wide range of options, from traditional to modern designs, ensuring that your windows are both functional and stylish. Window styles and designs in Austin are diverse, catering to various tastes and preferences. Window glazing is an important consideration for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Double-pane window replacement Austin services provide enhanced insulation and noise reduction, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Austin Window Upgrade Services offer a range of options to enhance your windows.